My name is Hugo. Today I'm going to show you how to solder wire. Tools that you are going to need: safety goggles, wire strippers, wire, a solder gun, and solder wire. First, you have to do this with the strippers to the both sides, both ends of the wire that you are going to solder. Do this, then twist it like that. Then go to making nets like that. Twist it. Then make sure that solder gun is hot. Then put a little wire solder in the gun. Then make sure that you make the wire hot so it will melt the solder wire. Like you can see, it's not hot enough.
No, that's so bullshit too.
Right now it's hot enough. Do you see that? The solder wire is melting in the wire. You can see that the solder wire is already melted, and we have a pretty strong solder. Thanks for watching. This is Auto 2. Hi, Karens.